Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen assembly on the Samsung Galaxy A30 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow us with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While taking out the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint button is attached to the back cover. Hold the fingerprint button and pull out the back cover from the body. Take out the back cover and then pull out the fingerprint button flex by disconnecting the plug. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 13 screws. Make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and remove the main and LCD ribbon flex cables from the body. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply some heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, pull out the logic board by disconnecting and loosening the antenna head and the antenna from the body. Next, take out the charging port board from the body. Next, take out the earpiece and vibrator motor from the body by applying some heat. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are few different screen types in the market. The most common is the original service pack screen which comes with the frame. There is another type and it is original but without the frame. But the repair job is a bit difficult and time consuming. But the price difference is not that big. And also, there are refurbished, used, aftermarket screens with the frame and without. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing the removed parts. First, place the charging port board in the body. Next, place the vibrator motor in the body. Next, place the earpiece. Next, place the logic board in the body and secure the antenna board and the antenna head into the board. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the main flex and LCD flex by connecting from both ends. Next, secure the battery plug. And then place the mid-frame in the body by securing 13 screws from the top and bottom. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws. Next, connect and place the fingerprint button. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering up the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.